Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. CSC Academy honors students of East and West Khasi Hills for Olympiad success. FKJGP demands full-time BDO for Maurangkeneng block. Alex Gym inaugurated in Nongpo to promote fitness. And Mr. A.L. Hegg holds meeting with poultry farmers to address industry challenges. Another news in detail. On March 27, 2025, the Common Service Centre CSC Academy honoured students of East and West Khasi Hills district who passed the CSC Olympiad 2.0 online examination. The felicitation program was held at the Multipurpose Hall DC office, Mausawa. Deputy Commissioner Anita Khubor attended as the chief guest along with Azizuddin, Principal Consultant of CSC SPV, A. Nongbri, ADC, teachers, principals, students and parents. In her address, Khubor emphasized the importance of holistic education and equal opportunities, particularly in rural areas with limited access to quality schools. She urged collective efforts to enhance education. The event recognized the students' achievements and highlighted the role of CSC in promoting digital education.
As administrators, I'm so glad when I heard my officer alert stating that the Officers Club took the initiative to give a chance to the students to compete in this Olympiad. It is our responsibility to ensure that the children whom we say are our future, we give them the opportunity, fullest opportunity and time and space to grow and make a future bright, and make the future livable, and make the future a blessed one. Today I would express my personal feeling. Let us all join hands together and not only concentrate working, in a small area. There are many children in this district who are lands with full of beautiful oil. It's just that they don't have the opportunity to be ignited. Let us make a commitment, let us take a step forward to ensure that more children of our district, if possible, every child in our district gets an opportunity to live as a child, to grow up as a child with proper education, to be happy as a child, to get...
Leaders of the FKJGP Maurangkeneng Circle visited the Maurangkeneng block office after receiving multiple complaints from employees and the public regarding the absence of a full-time block development officer, BDO. The union pledged to urge the government to appoint a BDO and other officers to ensure smooth functioning of the office. Residents have expressed frustration over the lack of leadership which has disrupted essential services. FKJGP emphasized the urgent need for proper administration, stating that the absence of officials has severely impacted the community, leaving many without access to necessary government services.
Dan lang ni, kalau kecing uat jengnam congki paiba buat kumju nagaliang staff rugi uat, buat nagaliang ki nokit kamsinong rugi uat cengi, kalau kecing bomdon jong video, kumbolong ta apa ni keli, kecing kecongki nomor ba sipang lawan the way video, sipang lawan the way video, sipang lawan the way video. Tak tahu nak kalian sengi kuat cing syai tak sengi wan nak ni blog banyak kendu ya video ba inshat agak sipor menta lomba project project director di RDA ngila yo ban songkai bat i ban yakren ban plu jemut bat i bat shibun kecing e kejungki nak liang kejungki kempau kecing e marhabat ya saw santali kekam bat sikwe ke blok hab pen takadau kecing e ke blok jungi yang ni takadau nak liang juga seng sian ngan selej ban a kecing tho bangin demand nak sarkar bandawan nak sarkar ban thungno ya u JRDO kerang menyerap ada enchat menu video ru kerang menyerap ya ke blok bandan ya po blok kerang ba ki staff na ki pai ba ken kamsuk ban ya kenduk kam nomor tentang ki wan ta umdan video la sha ki wan biang la sha umdan video kata jing ya ki pai ba anmal ke sinong mor kunang ke blok mor kunang ka hap ya ki babunteli ki sinong ada sel ladu utai sha Shillong ro ki hap si ke mor kunang lada ki wan reglong cingdu ke bakrau ki wan ki lejno mar bomdan video kata ke jing jongki nak kelang jong keseng ngelayo ban ikren bat u video mana layo ban plu cumut sibun ba bat kalong ke bas kotenat ban kelang video ru ulak pensai ya ke jing jong i bat nak kelang keseng ngelayo ke cumut ni bangin selej ai dak jing tho saka state government terang ba kan thung ya GRDO bat ya video bapura jong kamor kuleng kerang ban yirap ya kipai ba ha beri ka kam kecam jongki kerang kam long le no kecingwan jong kipai ba bat kumju ki staff ru ka kam baden pendap umta umton video kala sak teng no re nak ta kadau ba nak liang keseng hi ngin simkhia manlej ban kendu ya ka sorka.
On March 27th, Felix Albert Nongsit, a youth advocate for physical activities, inaugurated Alex Gym, joined the fitness family behind Miracle Plaza, Nongpo. The gym was officially opened by chief guest by Mirror Bons Aim, MLA of Nongpo, in the presence of Reverend Father Saulus Karpran, assistant parish priest, who blessed the facility with prayers. Elders of Nongpo and relatives also attended. Speaking to the media, Nongsit expressed joy in fulfilling his long-standing dream through hard work. The gym aims to promote fitness and encourage a healthier lifestyle among the youth and community members.
Baik bahasa men para borok di dalam lembat di parlok ini di training untuk wadenjen di sesem lembat di marjan mapa di dalam ni penpau jung songo yo ble agane Khubor namar bangi sutu ya kano kam ke bangi ngile tolong lomba dari di ngalam ke jong ble sai kenra abi gidon ha bakum kani ke jaka ban senang ya kani ka gym lani ke jaka kilometer ban le exercise nak benta ko ke khia ke jungi ikun Samla ro kumju larang ba kelasan ro kumju ngesngo ban pen mau naka tin ko put ke jong ble ba kano benta ke bangi ni kesang ban pendep tolong lomba dari di ngalam ke jong ble sam ko chispa ko nyu ko la dau try unte ke yin kiminot len ai gibate ka memang tangi sutu yang bagani ka jaka kene ke slam banio e ke jingkai kene ke yin baro pada ila kerku ingin scam bagi sangti don bor dong play kan yai don rekan bat Pak Felix kumbu rai instruktor ke jong pi gu pidon baro ki trainer gu pidon hang ni bahkan nong bisa ke mento ya ke dong ka khan ya ke snong ka thau ke jong ni baro ka we di hakane ka por ni dak sukunan sisin tingi kitbok ki riang ni pi beli nong kerku nang yalam don dekat ke je ke sem baro bagi jing tumu bang ha ke jong pi nong na kom tang je mento jong ki bobun balang hakane ka por ngin ship ni ko ta ban ot yang ribon ban dak ba.
On March 27th, Minister of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Affairs, NEHU, convened a meeting with the Meghalaya Poultry Farmers and Welfare Association to discuss challenges in the poultry industry and strategies for sustainable business. Association President Daminot Shillong stated that leaders from across the country participated in the discussion. Amid concerns over poultry diseases affecting various states, Shillong emphasized the need for strict control measures to ensure consumers receive disease-free meat. Association advisor William Dengdo announced that the government has decided to establish district task forces under the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department to protect poultry and farmers. Additionally, the government is intensifying preventive measures against swine fever not only at Bernihan but also at other entry points into the state.
Niwan hang ni bani kendu yo menteri jong katnat bani kami ya ka knat jingri tiba el hek akabidi bat ka jing jongi kumki nongri jingri hapo ka jela ka jongi ka Niwan hapo ka satri jong ka Meghalaya Poultry Farmer and Welfare Association ya ka ba nidon hang ni nadu ki parlok ke bayawan na West Khasi Hill na Jantia Hills bat kumju na Garo Hills kiba yawan ya kaju ka jingtmu hakabidi bat klei lengba ki social media ya ka jingmi jongi sha surok na kabenta ban yada hakabidi bat keneka kam ka ba ngingi jutrai namar kum mengitip himenta ki babun na ki state apa ka ri ke jongi kadon keneka bat flu kadeka jingpang clams ya ya lakum no ki babun hi ki state kila dep ban khang ya ka jingwan rung ki siar ki banasha ki we ki jela ya ka jing temu ke jongi ro hakane ka por kalong ban kerpat saka sorkar bakata ka jingpang kan namuan hapo ka jela ka jongi nang ba ki nongrep jongi kin nom dunam barajur ka por ki nong bam doru ki niok ban bam ya ka do ka ba kisiar ki ba khoj ki bompang ki ba koi ki ba khia takata ki jing temu.
The NEHU Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, Southwest Khasi Hills, led by its president Paul Thurnyang, has raised concerns over road maintenance expenses in the district. Speaking to reporters on March 27th, Thurnyang revealed that HITO had sought information through Right to Information (RTI) regarding the cost of road repairs. According to the RTI, the PWD spent Rs 18.44 crore from March 2023 to March 2024 for road maintenance. However, HITO leaders are demanding a detailed verification of the expenditure, specifying which roads and villages benefited from the funds. The organization has urged authorities to ensure transparency and accountability in public spending on infrastructure projects.
Khatar krur new puilak sanajar sauspa ar di kata kalong kani kalong kebentak ar but baru ar bentar nadu naimas jung arjar play hadu naimas jung arjar apsau kalong baru khoj kalong khatpa krur saulak ndu prajar news pa new artingka nadu naimas jung snem arjar apsau adu naimas jung snem arjar nadu nai mais chung snem arjar play nadu nai mais chung snem arjar par kajingkli nakling jungi kum kaseng kalong ba ikwa ya ka office chung ka piludi roads Southwest Khasi district makorwat pakan peni ani pakan kedau shangi kaseng ba hangno kijaka ki bakikam kila pentrei ani kila penut yakni kikam kiba kila pentrei kumta nakaling jungi kum kaseng ikwa ya ui lingba katna piludi udialam ya kaseng bahangno kani ka pisa ka bakot chaduka khatpra krul saulak ndro praja news pa ar kalangam ya kita kikam ki bakatna di ka pendut namar ba hangni kum kaseng ila download baru khoj na di kerteng juki kontraktor ba di ya kitendar wali nadu nai match jung arjar apply hadu nai match jung snem arjar apsau but nakling wi kaseng ibu ka jimham lada kaseng kalap kapilu di kamla pensya ya kani ka jing penlut ya kani ka pisa bakaseng kala shim bakaseng ka shim de kuwi pat ki lenti chongkaan pat kaseng kanam shim ya ka jing bakli ada ki officer lani ada ki kontraktor lani ya kinu ki bayadon menta hakani ka kampam sap hapo katnat surok jongka piludi jongka district jongka Southwest Khasi district makrwat.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until meet again, thank you for watching.